Hi besties, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do your jumbo knotless braid and also how you can add boho to your braids. I'm going to show you how you can make knotless braids and 3 different ways you can add boho to your braids. Stay tuned so you don't miss any part of this video. So for you to easily make your jumbo knotless braid, you have to part your hair like I did, then divide it into 3, braid 2 times, and then start to add your extensions. If you want your extension to be visible, this is exactly how you should add it. You keep one side aside, then you braid. The one you left, you then add it. So this is the second one. You're going to be adding it 3 good times. Then you bring the third one, you add, set the one at the left side aside. Then you braid, and then you're going to be adding it to the right side. I hope you guys understood. Then you start to braid. If gripping and doing your knotless braids, especially jumper braids, is difficult for you, then this video is for you. Use also save this video and use it to do your even the tiniest knotless braids. It also works perfectly for it. So this is our knotless braid sitting pretty. You see how beautiful it is. And the next one I'm gonna show you guys is how the 3 different ways you can add boho to your braids, whether it's knotless braid, whether it's boss braid. So this is the first method. All you need is your boho coils, of course, and then your crochet pin. So you can use this simple method. This is the first one to easily add boho to your braids. Is either you do this or you can also do this. Stay tuned to see the third one, which is the most amazing and simplest. So this is the second one when you crochet the boho onto the braid, then you use it to make a knot and then you knot it. Guys, if you watch this video to this point, please, you are yet to click that like button. Please consider clicking the like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any video requests, I'm always here for you. You are free to make your video request. So this is the third one, which you have to crochet your braid, and then you're going to be knotting just one part of the boho braid, the boho coils. So in this video, I'll successfully show you guys not just how you can easily do your jumbo knotless braid, and also 3 different ways you can add boho coils to your braids. Please do not forget to like, and please help me to share so that others can learn from this video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button.